So what we now need to do is we just have to create the direction of the flow of water, right? And for us to create that is not something difficult, just your design, anyhow design, but just to indicate this is where the flow of water is. This is the slopey side of my roof. You can just use an arrow, a simple arrow, or anything like that. But let's go ahead and design something meaningful. Okay, let's use the polygon shape. We're needing a triangle, tail shape. Okay, let's specify my center. Anyhow, inscribed or circumscribed. Let's give it like this. Okay, let me first of all do it like I think this is okay. Okay, now let me rotate it this way and bring it here. Yeah, okay. So after this, let me draw a circle across this. Let it something like this. Okay, and now let's trim out some area. Yeah, okay. Now let's join all this together. Let's select everything and J for join. Okay, I think everything should become one. Yeah. Okay, so this is more or less like a designed arrow indicating this the flow of water. What I'll just do now is to just put a text here to indicate properly. Okay, let's just create a multi-line text. Okay, and say down. Okay, so it's indicating that my water is going down through this way here. Okay, let me move it. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Okay, let me just kind of adjust it and place it in the middle. Let's just say somewhere around. Okay, let me trace out the middle from here. There is no compulsory, but I'm just okay. And then let me now mirror it to the other side. Mirror. Let's drop it there. Yeah. Where is it? Oh my god. Let's do that again. Mirror. Enter. Oh, still bringing it to the same side here. Okay, I think it should be like this. Okay, and then drop it. Yeah. What we just need to do is to change the position. So my water will be dropping down in this way. And my roof is coming down this way like this, right? This way. And then, or should we just tilt it a little bit? Let's rotate. Let's kind of rotate it a little bit to give it the correct direction. Okay, let's see. Is it like this? Okay, I think it's better like this. Then let's move it. Okay, I think we are good to go. But is it better like this, or we should just make it look straight, just like this one? Okay, anyhow, let's just leave it like this. Still the same thing. Okay, now let's copy this also. Let's copy and then bring it down here. I'm kind of trying to place them in the middle, though it's not compulsory, just for it to look okay. Right? Okay, so now let's rotate and then move this down. This. Let's move it downwards a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, and now let's mirror it to the other side here. Right? Enter. Okay, let's move this up a little. Okay, so I think we just need to copy the same thing here also. Do we need it here? If we should bring it here, it will kind of occupy a large space here. Though it's necessary for us to put it there, but if we should put it now, it will occupy a very large area of space, which we don't want. Let's just leave this and find something to place here. Here also does not need also. Here also does not need, right? Okay, let's just copy this. Let me mirror it. And once I mirror it, I'll just move it down there. No. Okay. Where is it? Okay, let me just select it and then let's move it. Okay, we are good to go. Now what is just left, just give it the roof pattern, maybe the hatch. Let's just go to the hatch and give it a roof pattern to make it look fantastic. Okay, let me now change the color of the roof pattern. Though I'm not changing the roof. Okay, I'm not changing the roof layer. It's still part, the roof pattern is part of the roof, but just kind of change the color to give it kind of good looking color. Let's go to hatch and let's select this. These are for our roof. Now let's change this to, let's use by block. Let's change the measurement. Let's use 30 and see. Okay, and then let's come here. Should we give this a color? Okay, let's give it and see how it will look like first. And if it does not work out, then we'll just change it. Let's kind of give this 40, 41, 41, 41, and let's see. If it looks okay, then I can just pick it and go ahead. Okay, let's try it out here. I think it's looking fantastic, right? Okay, let's go ahead and give it for this. Now, do you see that our angle here now is 0 degrees? That's why everything is kind of looking downwards, right? Looking downwards in this manner. Okay, let's give it. You see that I'm not hatching the area of our block work, but actually you don't hatch your block work and the rest like that. So what you just need to do is just go across it. Okay, I think this is looking okay. And just go ahead and drop it. Same thing goes for here also. Hatch this. Come down here, hatch this. Since they are all the same direction, I'm giving them, I'm hatching those that are in the same direction, right? Now we need to change our direction of flow of water to this side here and this side. But you know, if you should hatch it like this using the same zero direction, you know, the direction is not correct, right? It's not giving the correct direction, right? So what you just need to do is to come here and then change it to 270. I think 270 should be the opposite, right? Okay. I say okay. And now let's try it out and see what we have. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's changed everything. It's changed the whole direction. Let's take it back to zero first. Let's take it back to zero. Okay, and let's end that there. Let's end this there. Now let's go ahead again. Click it to give a different angle now. 270. Okay, and then let's go ahead and hatch it up. Right. Okay, this. Let's do this. Okay, here, here also, here also. Okay, okay, yeah, and then here also, and then we are good to go. So this is our roof design. I'm coming. What's wrong here? Okay, let's just change this. Let's select this. I don't know why it's erased this part off. Let's just pick point and give this area to. Okay, giving it some time. Okay, and then we are good to go. This is our roof. We're done with our roof. Don't forget to save your work. Let's save it. Okay, right? So this kind of a roof, it is dope, right? It's looking good. So, and if you wish, you can just try to change the color and design it your taste. I'm not very good with colors, so that's why it might not be good to some other people. So now what we just need to do now is just we should just group this also. Let's group this. Let's bound everything together. Um, Sorry. Let's bound this. Okay, and enter. So this is our roof. We are done with our roof, right? So sorry. There's even a mistake somewhere. Okay. Let's do like this. Let's label it. Let's label our plan and our roof. Let's give them labels. Okay. Let's go to our text. Sorry. Our multi-line text, and then name it our floor plan. Let's give this our floor plan, right? Okay. So which is this? Let's change this to text. Should be text, right? And then let's copy it and move it here and give this our roof plan, right? So now let's just name this roof plan, right? I think it's looking good. Okay, and you're good to go. I'm coming. Let me copy this somewhere else because we'll be needing it for the elevations also. I want to group everything together now with their respective texts. So let me ungroup this first. Let me ungroup this first. Okay, I've ungrouped it. Now let me regroup everything together with the text. Okay, let me do the same thing for this also. Let's ungroup it first and then let's regroup it. Let's regroup everything with the text. Okay, and you're good to go. So now this is our floor plan and this is our roof plan, right? And I think we are rounding off this design academy. What is just left for us is the elevation and then the sectioning, right? For us to be able to complete this aspect. So we'll be stopping here, and in the next video lesson, we will learn how to create our elevation, right? We'll learn how to create our elevation. There's something I should have said earlier. We should have copied this roof because we'll be needing it also before we group it. But don't worry, when we come in the next class, we'll have a way to do that. We'll have our way around that. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.